birthday to you. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm with Giselle. Say hi, friends. Today we're going to talk to you guys about her pumpkin birthday party because her birthday is almost coming up. Hey, how old are you going to be? 2. 2. Giselle is going to be 2. But we're going to talk about her first birthday. For her first birthday, she had a pumpkin themed birthday party. I want to share that with you today so you can get ideas and inspiration from that for your own pumpkin party. So originally her birthday party was going to be outside. The temperature was basically going to be sweater weather, so I thought that was okay, but it ended up raining, so we had to last minute move everything indoors. I wanted like a little photo area where people can sit down and take pictures. We had bought straw bales from the pumpkin farm as well as corn stalks. We did use the straw bales but not the corn stalks. So we just cleared up this couch, the living room. We just took the couch out, put it in my room. And so I decorated this window that's behind me with some straw bales. I also got pumpkins from the pumpkin farm. I wanted to have fall colors, but I wanted little pops of pink here and there, pink and gold. So I painted some little pumpkins pink. I put them on the straw bales, as well as some sunflowers and little leaves and scarecrows. All those little decorations that you see, I got either at the Dollar Tree or at Walmart. Also, the pumpkins that I got worked as a favor. So I just made sure to have enough for all the kids that I invited, and then at the end of the party, I let all the kids take a pumpkin home with them. Along with the pumpkin, I gave them a little pack of stickers to decorate their pumpkin. I found it on Amazon. I'll have it linked down below. And it had different type of characters, like a little Frankenstein, little vampire. I just let each kid randomly choose a little pack, and then they were able to decorate their pumpkin during the party and then take it home with them. Also, since her birthday is really close to Halloween, I didn't really want to give goodie bags or do a piñata or anything like that because, you know, I don't want to overload the kids with candy. So what I did as a little favor for the kids is I made a pumpkin poke a hole board. I hope that makes sense. I found some orange cups from Party City, and then I took orange tissue paper and put it over the cup, then put a rubber band on it. It was either a trick or a treat. So what I put in there, I put some little Halloween themed socks in there. I found creepy bugs in the Dollar Tree, so that would be kind of like a trick. The socks, some kids liked it, some kids didn't, so that's either like a trick or a treat. And then I made little Lollipop Ghosts. It's super easy. You just put tissue paper over the lollipop, put a little bow on it, and then, you know, draw on the dots for the face. I had a lot of little Halloween themed things in there that I just found from the Dollar Tree. So that was a fun activity. I just had all the kids line up and poke a hole one time and then get back in line because there wasn't too many kids at the party. I don't remember how many there was, but there wasn't too many kids and there was a lot of cups. So each kid was able to go multiple times. So that was pretty fun for them. And it's kind of like a good way to keep things candy free. The good thing of doing a pumpkin patch themed party is that it's so easy to find decorations everywhere. So I just got a lot of stuff from Dollar Tree and Walmart. I found some straw bales at Walmart as well. I got 2 of those. I found little itty bitty mini straw bales at the Dollar Tree, so I was gonna use those for my centerpieces for the tables and stuff. But like I said, my party ended up being indoors, so I had minimal space to work with, and everything was like, all the plans had to change. So I didn't have my tables set up in here. I just had chairs set up everywhere and one main table for people to take turns eating. For centerpieces, I just decorated a jar. I put burlap ribbon on it and a little pumpkin ribbon that I found at the Dollar Tree. My mom had some wheatgrass in her house that she was going to throw out. I just took that and used that to put it in the jars. I was going to put those in the center of the table with the little mini bales and also pictures of her. Prior to her birthday, I took her to the pumpkin farm, dressed her up cute, and then I displayed her pictures in different places at her party.
She's trying to get over.
Monthly pictures of her until she was 1 year old, and I found this cute little garland for the monthly photos on Amazon. I'll try to find that and link it down below as well. It fits a 4x6 picture in there, so I printed out all 12 of her photos and displayed that behind her cake table. For her cake, I actually ordered it off of Walmart. It was really inexpensive, it was cute, and it was delicious, so it's like perfect. So they don't have a pumpkin patch themed cake there, but they were super flexible with me, so I was like so excited because I've never ordered like a cake from Walmart like that before. So I just showed them a picture on Instagram of what I wanted, and they said that they were gonna try and create it, and I loved how it turned out. It was cute and simple. I didn't want anything at the top because I got a cake topper from Amazon that says 1. And then I also made her a pumpkin shaped smash cake. Now that was challenging, but I had so much fun creating that and everyone loved it. So I actually made that cake 3 times prior because I wanted it to come out perfect on the day of her party. I made 2 bundt cake pans and then I stacked them on each other, put some orange frosting on there. I cut a real pumpkin stem and then I stuck it on there, and voila, you have a pumpkin cake. And also the little cake stands, I made the little cake stands. It's a little DIY Dollar Tree cake stand. I saw it on Pinterest, so I just took a candle holder and like a stove top cover, spray painted it gold, glued it together, and wham bam, I had a cake stand. Her party was the day after her birthday, and on the day of her birthday we did a smash cake photo shoot at home. So I just invited my parents over so we could watch her smash her cake, take photos, and it was a lot of fun. Giselle, happy birthday, Mama! Happy birthday to you! Birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! What's up? You should have took a picture. She don't see her cake. Giselle.
Oh my God! You're not filming that.
¡Qué bonita! Sí, sí, mira. ¡Ay, tan linda!
It's cool, we never let her do stuff like that, so she doesn't know what to do.
Hey!
Fun. So I just used the decorations that I had bought for her party. I put the garland behind her, I put the little straw bales, the pumpkins. So I had a tassel garland as well as a burlap garland. They're both from Amazon. And then I put the little cake on her. I made that cake as well. So what I did was I baked the cake inside of a formula tin, and it made the perfect size smash cake just for her. So I suggest you try that out. It works great. The shirt she was wearing in that photo shoot is also from Amazon. It says cutest pumpkin in the patch, and then I found a little orange tutu at the thrift store. So yeah, I love being super frugal, saving money, so I have lots of fun DIYing my decor and my little projects. Come here. Okay, she left me. So lastly, for food, we had pozole, which is like a Mexican stew. My mom made it, and it went well with the weather. Everyone likes eating warm stew in the cold months, so that was really delicious. And so of course you can have fall themed food like chili. I wanted to do chili, but then I was like, no, I think people will enjoy pozole more. So we made, my mom made the pozole, and then I made a pumpkin shaped cheese ball. I'll have the Pinterest link where I found that listed below, but I also have like a pictorial of me making it on my Instagram. If you follow me at gabdel2, I have a fall highlight, and you can find my pumpkin cheese ball in there. I love making that cheese ball, so I just made it the other day for a movie night. So yeah, check that out on my Instagram. And lastly, we were all dressed in flannel. I didn't tell my guests to wear flannel, but they did ask me if they could wear a costume or something, and I just said, well, we're wearing flannel. If you want to wear flannel, go ahead. So it was really fun to have all the pictures of us in our flannel shirts and, you know, all cohesive and themed. It was really nice. And that's pretty much it for my pumpkin themed birthday party. And for her second birthday, it's gonna be a donut themed party. So I'll be posting that soon on my channel, so stay tuned for that. Her birthday is in 2 weeks. And if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, if you got inspiration from it or ideas for your pumpkin party, then please give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram at gabdel2, and I will see you guys all next time. Bye!